Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel and welcome to Makeup Wednesdays. This week I'm doing a random color and by the title you already know it's white. So if you want to know how I achieved this very subtle frosty look, then keep on watching. So first we need to ignore the fact that I'm wearing a knitted sweater. I live in that part of Europe that does not have a heat wave, and so it's a little bit chillier here today, and knitted sweater it is. So we're doing random colors. I'm shaking up the jar to see what color we're doing. And we're doing white. Interesting. White. Well, white looks best on darker skin tones, let's face it. It just does. It's like black has a better contrast on light skin and white has a better contrast on dark skin. So what I'm gonna do is something very subtle, very, I don't know if you can even tell on camera. I hope you can. There's only one way to find out. This is a cream nude, I want to say. So it's not white, but you can't technically do all white, but I want just a little bit of contrast. So I'm going in with the Depend eyeshadow that looks like this, and I'm going in with this color right here. So technically it's a nude, but let's roll with it. And I'm taking a round brush like this one, and then I'm just putting that in my crease. So this palette doesn't actually have a name, but I'm going in with this white right here. So it's a cold white for me. This is the coldest white I have. And for this to work, I believe I have to use my fingers. So I'm using my finger for this. And I'm putting this on the lid. Now, you also want to bring this to your lower lashes all the way around. This is a nice frosted look in July. Yes, a frosted look in July. That's what we're going for. And so to get it down, I'm just using a flat brush to get it underneath as well. Now I obviously put a lot of white on, so I just want to take a blender brush, and I'm using the one from Essence, and I'm just slightly wiping off the edges. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it does fade a little bit out, not too much. The most of the color is focused on my lids, a little bit underneath, just to give it that intense and then blend it out kind of a look. And so what I'm gonna do is curl my lashes. And I'm using the Maybelline's the Colossal mascara that looks like this. I wish I had a white eyeliner so I can do something more dramatic, but I don't. I'm using what I have. This is the eyeshadow. It's very simple. It's one color all over your lid. That's about it. Technically it's two colors. I use this just so that I would have some blendable area and make it fade a little bit more, so it's not just intense and then a sharp line. Because a frosted look is not that, and I think it's so weird that I'm talking about frosted look in July, but it is what it is. And I think it's also weird that I'm wearing a knitted sweater today because it's cold and the makeup is cold and it's July. I'm like a few months ahead of my time. But the highlighter that I'm going to be using, I don't know if it will show up on camera, but it will in real life. And that is the Makeup Revolution's Cheek Kit Take a Breather, and I'm using this one right here. And so I'm just gonna put on some setting spray, and I'm using the Makeup Revolution Sport Fix that looks like this. And so that is the makeup look. And no, it's very simple and very much winter, but it's random color and you do what you get. Well, you do according to what you get of the color and what you have. And so that is all I have for you today. And if you liked the video, leave a like and a comment down below. And if you want more content like this, then hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you will be notified when I upload a video. Now, I upload my Makeup Wednesday videos every Wednesday at 7 o'clock Norwegian time, which makes it about 2 o'clock New York time. And with that, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!